If you are going to buy the Apple Watch Ultra 2, I don't think you are doing it because you want the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Chances are you want the Apple Watch Ultra, and the second generation version Apple just unveiled is simply the model that will be on shelves. That's to say, there aren't very many upgrades between the Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra 2. That's certainly not enough to make someone who has the original upgrade to the new one. Despite the Ultra's bigger, brighter display, new complication-packed watch face, and the introduction of a performance-boosting chip, the Apple Watch Series 9 is instead the most exciting Apple Watch available this year. So, for the biggest display and longest battery life possible, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 still has plenty to offer and could hook those holdouts. In addition to the processor's enhancements, it gets a fresh ultra-wide band chip and proudly transitions from virgin titanium to a 95% recycled titanium frame. Like the Apple Watch Series 9, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is among Apple's debut offerings of carbon neutral certified devices too. As someone who used the Apple Watch Ultra for the larger part of the last year, I can't say I gravitate to the rugged watch as much as I did the first time around, but I went hands-on with it to get a taste of the key changes. Here's what you need to know. You can pre-order the Apple Watch Ultra 2 now with the full availability starting September 22. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 maintains the same $799 which is double the starting price of the Apple Watch Series 9 $399. I will admit I was worried the titanium induced price hike for the iPhone 15 Pro could hit the Apple Watch Ultra, but for $799 you get your choice of ultra specific band, a braided charging cable and cellular support. You are be hard pressed to tell the Apple Watch Ultra 2 versus Apple Watch Ultra apart by a glance. The device maintains the same general design featuring a flat 49mm display, protruding right side button array and orange action button on the left side. It doesn't so much as come in a new color. You might catch the display is brighter than before, up to 3000 nits from 2000 nits, made possible by the S9 chip, but more on that below. I couldn't really tell from the hands-on demo, though I did get to see the new modular Ultra Watch face. It's probably the most complication-rich Apple Watch face yet, I believe, more so than the Wayfinder face we saw debut with the first Apple Watch Ultra. What you can't tell just by appearances is that the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is made of 95% recycled aluminum, a major improvement from the virgin material used in the first gen model. Apple has made a serious commitment to making all its devices carbon neutral by 2030, with the new Apple Watch family taking a major step in the direction. With the resourced trail loop and alpine loop, the Apple Watch Ultra earns the carbon neutral certificate. I have become a more eco-conscious shopper than ever over the past year, so I am definitely excited by the Ultra embracing sustainability.